It's quick and simple to record the details of your transactions in Sage Business Cloud Accounting Start. Over the next few minutes we'll show you how. We'll start by entering some income, so money coming into the business as a sale. So to do this, we open Banking. This shows the bank account that we've got set up, so in this example, the current account and also our cash account. To record the income, click New Entry, and from the menu, choose Money In. You then enter the details as follows. Firstly, you can link the transaction to a contact. This step is optional, however, if you want to record your sales against a specific contact so that you can view how much you sold to them over a period of time, you'll need to choose them from the contact list. In this example, we'll leave the contact blank. Next, choose the account that the money has come into. For example, this is the amount going straight into your current account, or have you been paid in cash and you're just going to hold it in petty cash. Next, you enter the date you received the money, an optional reference number such as a check number, and then the amount received. You can then tab down to the category and choose the one that you'd like to record the money against. If you've chosen a contact, the default category is picked up, and you can change this if needed. In this example, we'll record this against our category 4000, which we've got flagged as sales type A. You can then record some details of the transaction, choose the VAT rate and enter the value. You should note that you'll only be prompted to enter the VAT rate if you're being flagged as VAT registered in the software. The value defaults to the amount received. Now you can split the amount against multiple categories if required. For example, you might have different categories set up to analyze different types of products that you sell, such as food and drink, on different product lines. If required, you just simply tab down to the next line, enter the different category details and values. When you're ready, you click Save, and the transaction is added to your list. As you can see, it's really easy to record money coming into your business. Recording the details of your purchases and the payments you make is just as easy. We'll quickly run through a couple of payments, one for stock that we've purchased, and the other for some petrol. This time, from the New Entry menu, you choose Money Out. To keep things simple, we'll leave the contact blank. We'll show the money going out of the current account. We'll accept the default date and enter an optional reference. We'll then enter the value. We can then tab down our category, and in this case we'll choose our purchases category, which in this case is 5000. I'll enter some details. I'll use the default VAT rate and leave the value set to 150. We'll then save the transaction, and that's it done. Let's quickly enter the petrol. From the New Entry menu, we'll choose Money Out. We'll leave the contact empty and choose the relevant bank account. Again, we'll say it was paid out of our current account. We'll use the default date and enter a reference and also the amount. This time we want to flag the transaction against one of our overhead categories, which in this example is 7300, which we've called motor expenses. We'll just enter some basic details, use the default VAT rates. We don't need to split the amount against multiple categories, so we'll just leave that at full value against the first line. And then click Save. We then return to the cash book page, and the transaction appears on the list. That's how easy it is to enter your transactions in Sage Business Cloud Accounting Start.